Kelvin Taylor was storming Ghana Supreme Court with his lawyers. Abusha, see the way Kelvin Taylor was boss seat for honum. Kai. Abusha, in some way the metumubu na meseno. Mr. Was when you subscribe here. Subscribe this channel. Sabaya your latest update. Ubanye bi eshe. And feel free so what my chawa junsu comment share so. And share video ma for front then and yabi and share. Abusha Ubakaya 2020 Kelvin Taylor adin sembi etuja about one particular judge, that is Eric Balfour. Kelvin Taylor can say be about concrete allegations who about that judge now what na asem what can say be afa Eric Balfour. Abusia yentie nsema Kelvin Taylor edi kan kai awo 2020.
Loud Silence Media, with all due respect, we have taken time to investigate the background of the judges promoted by the president, and I must say some have excellent track record. One person whose promotion has caused serious tensions within the judiciary is Justice Eric Balfour. This man, Justice Eric Balfour. My fellow Ghanaians, today I'll be revealing so many things and why Ghana as a country has to be very worried about Justice Balfour. This statement actually goes to the Chief Justice because this particular justice by name Balfour will be the poison in his sweet wine if he, the Chief Justice, ignores these clear signs. I'm going to talk about one judge. Yes, I'm going to talk about one judge who has become basically the mouthpiece of this current government, which I belong to, the NPP. This man is called Justice Eric Balfour. This is the same judge presiding on the NCA case, but there is a lot of things happening behind the scenes to make sure Justice Eric Balfour twists the law to favor this current government. Lots and lots of things happening behind the scene. My fellow Ghanaians, are you people aware that it was this same judge, this same Justice Eric Balfour, who presided over the cocaine 10 Konkonte case? This was the same judge. He presided over the Konkonte case, the cocaine that turned into Konkonte. Now, another fact about this Justice Balfour is that he was hurriedly promoted by this government to execute their political agenda. Balfour was quickly promoted from a high court judge to an appeals court judge. I can say on authority that Justice Eric Balfour is operating on the orders of the president and Mr. Kandapa. This was the reason why the case of the former NCA board members was jammed straight to the commercial court where Balfour operates so that he will execute this government agenda. This is basic. With all due respect, my fellow Ghanaians, Justice Balfour is seriously doing the bidding of the president and more importantly, the bidding of the National Security Minister, Mr. Kandapa, who has been caught on tape trying to seduce a woman. Justice Balfour has become too powerful and too rich in these short times. Yes, he has become too powerful and too rich in these few years. And I don't think this judge takes more salary than any other judge in this country. He recently built one of the most expensive mansions in Accra, which in fact has become the talk in the corridors of the Justice Department. The shocking part in this case is now government security agencies have been forced to collaborate with this government to twist the arm of justice. The BNI board has forced one of his junior officers to forge a signature to confirm that he was there when one of the accused made his confession. When the case was raised in court and when the junior officer was called to testify, he denied it. Yes, the junior officer denied it. This is what the deputy director of the BNI, he's called Timothy Coleman, said after the incident. And I quote, "If they knew the independent witness didn't sign, they wouldn't have brought the matter to court." End of quote. I will also play audio of one Mrs. Evelyn Dawi Kilson, a niece of the senior minister Osaf Mafo. This lady is eyeing the DPP position at the Attorney General's office. She's doing everything to make sure she gets that position. So she's licking the ass of people in power to make sure that these people are prosecuted. The morning before accused persons opened their defense, it happened. Mr. Osaf Mafo, if he's listening to me, called the trial judge, Justice Balfour, and instructed him to do something in the interest of the government. Osaf Mafo called the judge. He's tampering with justice. Yes, Osaf Mafo was tampering with justice, and we have evidence to prove that. And he said they should do something, the judge should do something in the interest of government. I will play the voice recording for the world to know the seriousness of this topic I am discussing today.
Abusia, nsese when Kelvin Taylor ekafa Eric Balfour ho, that is around 2020. Enti Eric Balfour say abaya Kelvin Taylor one braga na one be yinanu court. Kelvin Taylor wa issue bench warrant against Kelvin Taylor wa tunu nan Ghana police timichinu ana bibia wo bia police betima eden ekochinu our America dia bagana amana bayinanu our court. Abusia, and ne Kelvin Taylor was storming the Supreme Court with the lawyers at battle his bench warrant case. Abusia, a similar we any say Kelvin Taylor was deep. That is three against one. 3 against 1. Or deep for winning the bench warrant case. To amount of case. You see that Kelvin Taylor was a free man in Ghana. But man and in Nam Ghana baby. I can say if you are a man, come Ghana. You see, even Kelvin Taylor after winning the case, no, we quote Facebook, we could say the law is the law. Hey.
Answer. Is it Taylor? Okay. Is it Taylor any word for Ghanaians?
Very good. Very good. Yes. Let's go.
Abusia, Mr. Wa, Chirawa Juma me our comment shares no. Internet Jesus this year over Ghana. Omo amisi want me back Ghana this year. Kelvin Taylor over Ghana.